Use the link in the description of this video or pinned in the comments section to get these special prices, special bonuses and to access this special product. The Tropical Secret. For healthy weight loss. Support healthy weight loss with Exipure's proprietary blend of 8 exotic nutrients and plants backed by clinical research. May 2022, new scientific discovery. Scientists discover the real root cause of your belly fat. Hint: not diet or exercise. Are you struggling to lose weight, no matter how much you diet or exercise? Turns out, it's not your fault. A 2022 study published in Nature Medicine of 52,000 women and men, the largest of its kind in humans, found just one common factor in every overweight man and woman: low brown adipose tissue levels. They also found common in every skinny person were high brown adipose tissue levels. 1. Brown adipose tissue, BAT, also known as brown fat, is not fat at all. It's not a fat storer, but a fat shrinker. Its brown color comes from its densely packed mitochondria, which work 24/7 to burn calories from your fat stores and the food you eat into pure, natural energy. Even though BAT makes up a fraction of your weight, it can burn up to 300 times more calories than any other cell in your body too. That's why we created Exipure. Exipure is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before. It is the only product in the world with a proprietary blend of 8 exotic nutrients and plants designed to target low brown adipose tissue, BAT, levels, the newfound root cause of your unexplained weight gain. For every tiny increase in BAT means a huge jump in calorie and fat burning and energy levels. Inside every Exipure capsule you'll find 8 clinically proven ingredients that increase calorie burning brown adipose tissue, BAT. 1. Perilla. Perilla frutescens. Boosts BAT2. Supports brain health. Supports healthy cholesterol. 2. Kudzu. Pueraria lobata. Boosts BAT6. High in antioxidants. Relieves pains and aches. 3. Holy basil. Ocimum sanctum. Boosts BAT10. Reduces stress. Supports brain power. 4. White Korean ginseng. Panax ginseng. Boosts BAT5. Supports healthy immunity. Reduces oxidative stress. 5. Amercork bark. Philodendron amurans. Boosts BAT9. Eases digestion and bloating. Supports healthy heart and liver. 6. Propolis. Boosts BAT3. 300 plus antioxidants. Supports healthy blood sugar. 7. Quercetin. Quercetum. Boosts BAT14. Supports healthy blood pressure. Rejuvenates aging cells. 8. Alurapane. Olea europea. Boosts BAT12. Supports artery health. Supports healthy cholesterol. Exipure is a natural formula. Uses plant ingredients. Is non-GMO. Easy to swallow. Has no stimulants. And non-habit forming. Order 6 bottles or 3 bottles. And get 2 free bonuses. Bonus number 1: 1-day Kickstart Detox. RRP $59.95. Today, free. Detox, cleanse and flush your organs to aid absorption and kickstart your Exipure journey with 20 bizarre 15-second detox tea recipes using everyday ingredients from your kitchen. Bonus number 2: Renew You. RRP $49. Today, free. With your brand new fast-tracked body comes a new mindset. Discover simple methods you can do right now to instantly relieve stress and calm your mind, boost confidence and reduce anxiety. Every 6-bottle order gets free shipping too. 96% of customers order 6 bottles. Our recommended option. Real Exipure users. Real life-changing results. Lauren is 35 pounds lighter so far. Verified purchase. I never used to leave the house, worried about not fitting into chairs or public transport. Now after trying Exipure I'm down 35 pounds. I feel and look amazing. My energy levels are through the roof, and I regularly use the bus and try on slim clothes and shop in the mall stress-free. Thank you so much. Lauren G. Wyoming, USA. Zach has dropped 26 pounds. Verified purchase. I was so embarrassed when my son grabbed my belly and asked, "Daddy, why is your tummy so squishy?" I had to do something, and when I saw the Exipure video and verified the research I had to try it out. I'm down 26 pounds, and it keeps melting off. My snoring has disappeared. I feel fitter and happier than I did in my 30s. Zach M., New York, USA. Cassie dissolved 40 pounds in no time. Verified purchase. Ever since taking Exipure every day I am eating what I want, more than ever, but I'm still dropping weight. I'm down 4 dress sizes, about 40 pounds. Who would have thought it would be so easy? I feel so sexy, so pretty. I no longer worry about what my friends think of me or how my weight affects those around me. Thank you. Cassie T, Delaware, USA. Claim your discounted Exipure while stocks last. 1 bottle. 30-day supply. $59. Bottle. Usually $199, now $59. 6 bottles. 180-day supply. $39. Bottle. Usually $1,194, now $234. 3 bottles. 90-day supply. 3 bottles. 90-day supply. $49. Bottle. Usually $597, now $147. 1 bottle. 30-day supply. $59. Bottle. Our customers say. 5-star rating. Based on 100,000 plus reviews. 100% satisfaction. 180-day money back guarantee. Your order today is protected by my ironclad 180-day 100% money back guarantee. If you are not astonished how fast your deep stubborn fat stores melt away into pure energy, or shocked as you admire your new toned slim body in the mirror, then at any time in the next 180 days let us know and we'll refund every single penny of your investment. No questions asked. Frequently asked questions. Is Exipure right for me? Do you have deep stubborn fat stores that no diet or exercise seems to remove? Then the answer is yes, Exipure is right for you. Exipure has changed the lives of thousands of women and men from 18 to 80 and is designed to rapidly dissolve fat in even the worst cases. Is Exipure safe? Exipure is a natural proprietary formula manufactured in the USA at our FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility using state-of-the-art, precision-engineered machinery and under the strictest and most sterile standards. Each ingredient is 100% plant-based, soy-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, and put through additional third-party inspections and quality control to ensure high purity and potency. As always, we advise you to show a bottle of this to your doctor before you take it, just to be safe. How many bottles should I order? If you are over 35 years old or carry excess weight, we recommend you take for at least 3 to 6 months so it has enough time to work throughout your entire body to normalize your brown fat levels, reach your desired weight, and lock it in for years into the future. Every 3-bottle package of Exipure comes with the 2 bonus books absolutely free, or make the smart decision and get the heavily discounted 6-bottle package, which comes with the 2 bonus books absolutely free, along with free shipping as well. What's the best way to take Exipure? Take 1 capsule of Exipure with a big glass of water every day. Its bespoke proprietary blend of natural ingredients will get to work dissolving fat for you even when sleeping. Is this a one-time payment? Yes, your order today is a one-time payment with no auto ship, subscription or hidden charges. What if Exipure doesn't work for me? Every single bottle of Exipure comes with our personal 180-day 100% money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied with your results, just return the bottles for a full, no questions asked refund. What do I do now? This is the fun part. Click the link in the description of this video or pinned in the comments section. Then choose one of the packages. Enter your details on our secure checkout page. After you've finished, we'll get your Exipure shipped out to you straight away. Order 3 bottles and get the 2 free bonus books, or order 6 bottles and get the 2 free bonus books plus free shipping as well. Claim your discounted Exipure below while stocks last. 1 bottle. 30-day supply. $59. Bottle. Usually $199, now $59. 6 bottles. 180-day supply. $39. Bottle. Usually $1,194, now $234. 3 bottles. 90-day supply. 3 bottles. 90-day supply. $49. Bottle. Usually $597, $147. Our customers say. 5-star rating. Based on 100,000 plus reviews.